Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, and I am back on this lovely Monday, November 11, 2019. We have a lot to talk about. I'm glad to be back. I missed all of you. That's the truth. And you know something? I am proud to say something here. Despite the fact that I did not do a video on Thursday or Friday, the markets played out exactly like I explained to you would happen. So you didn't even need me here. That's the truth. The game remains risk on. We had record highs with regard to this market. We witnessed some pressure on precious metals and cryptocurrencies. This is the way it's going to be for a while. So just get used to it. Use this as opportunities for yourself. That's what this is all about. Look, what are we hoping to gain from what's going on? Look, we're not going to be fleeced. Period. The end. We are going to use this rigged game against them. Period. I mean, it's that simple. We're going to attack them from every angle possible. This is an environment that is not sustainable. However, the risk-on game is going to remain for a while. Now, let's elaborate a little further here. As I am doing this video blog, stock futures are down triple digits now. If you recall, I outlined for you last week, prior to me taking Thursday and Friday off, that this market needs to burn some off. Maybe, hopefully, we are seeing a little bit of that now. Look, the fact that we have a market that has never been more distorted or rigged in the history of the financial world makes it difficult for us to gauge, honestly, what will happen. What should happen here, right now, today, we should see, and I would love to see this market give back a couple of 100 points, maybe even play out until tomorrow. But with hundreds of billions of dollars being poured into this debt market in a full-blown attempt to keep cash flowing into equities and out of other assets, it's very difficult. It really is. This is why I have become an intraday trader. I don't care where the market goes. You all know that. It goes up, I'm going to make money. It goes down, I'm going to make money. And like I said, I'm not going to always make a good trade, but I don't care. For the most part, my trades are going to be successful, which will add up substantially over time. And no guy on YouTube or anywhere else for that matter has made it easier for you to take advantage of this market from every single possible angle. You know what to do with regard to the exploding and ballooning debts and deficits. You are going to bet against the debt, become your own central bank, hold hard assets, use every single opportunity that they give you to acquire more gold, especially silver. I also own platinum and palladium. You know that. I own all the metals. I own cryptocurrencies too. I will add to all of my positions with regard to, those are my longer term trades here. Holding hard assets. My number one trade of all time is physical silver. I believe, and I've said this for how long, silver is the most undervalued asset on the planet, bar none, period, the end. So that should tell you something, in my view, along with other things too. Now let's talk further. Crude oil is under a little bit of pressure here. This is going to hurt equities as well. This is probably why we're seeing pressure on stock futures here. Remember this: as crude oil goes, so goes the market with regard to equities or stocks. You understand? This is why on my website, traderschoice.net, I got my boom system chart, which I hope you're taking advantage of. 1, 2, 3, boom. It's the easiest trading system on the planet, bar none. No doubt about it. And right next to it, I got the crude oil chart. You watch how this works. You see crude oil go up, you're going to see stocks follow. It's just so simple. I even removed the dollar chart. What's happening with regard to the dollar is also another fantasy here. We have a Fed that's diluting the dollar in record amounts. Meanwhile, we're seeing a dollar get stronger here. Good. Let this continue here. I don't care. Again, we should not care. What we are doing is trying to attack this again from every single angle. So good. Let the dollar do what it's got to do right now. We know we should be taking the opposite side of that trade. Period. It's so simple. So freaking easy. You got it? Anyway, so this is where we're at, people. Seriously. You know, I just wanted to say real quick. Over the weekend, I was in Chicago. Great city. Great people. And I really enjoyed being there. And if you ever get a chance to go visit Chicago, I would suggest doing it. Lots of great places to eat. And believe me, I ate. Anyway, with that said, all right. Here's a story. Let's summarize real quick. Stock futures are under pressure. I want this market to give back a little bit, sincerely, and that's bullish. You have to understand, in this environment of absolute rigging to the highest order, we want to see this market give back a little bit. And for my lions out here, if you're intraday trading, yeah, there might be some good opportunities to get short. I'm looking for that today, and pull some profits, make some profits, pull those profits, and put that cash to work in other assets. And then again, watch for the rebound, because that's where we're going. It's insane. I don't know another way to put it, what we're seeing here. And we know it's not sustainable. And we know what the end result is going to be: a devastated public, to the point of, like, they have no idea what's coming. And I literally mean that. They never do. The public never knows what's coming, because, again, they're being misled by the politicians. They're being misled by the mainstream financial channels, who are all reading scripts. And it's by design. This is why the general population gets fleeced time and time again. You think it's going to stop after this? No. This bubble is the biggest of them all by a huge margin. And it's going to fleece the public to that much greater of a degree. But again, we're going to watch the same pattern play out over and over again. It'll never stop. It's a rigged game. All right, with that said, people, love you all, missed you all. See you at the end of the day. Please share the video.